Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 50 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. In the today's session, Nifty opened gap up and almost it opened around 717 and it made a high of around 740, 750 odd levels. So it was trading in this zone wherein it was sideways consolidating, wherein Nifty had taken a resistance at 750 and almost even the data was suggesting that it was negative on the negative side. However, the price was on the higher side, but with that respect, what I did is early morning in the 9:15 candle itself, wherein I entered almost at the high over here, wherein I made entry. Let me show you the order history, wherein I bought 20,000 21,700 PE, wherein I bought almost 250 quantities. Initially, I had bought at 100 rupees and then I averaged the price with 93 rupees. So, overall, cumulatively, in just initial 1.5 minute itself, I made an entry in this trade, wherein anticipation was that it will give a slight pullback before if it has to go up. So that's what it happened. I squared off my position at almost like 927, 926 here. Uh, if you see, I had almost 250 quantities and I squared all this to 250 quantities with a trailing stop loss of 104. Wherein at 926, I closed my position was overall because at 926, if you see, this was a candle wherein it had given a pullback till around 21,009, sorry, 716 level. So with that aspect, where in the morning low opening price was also around 710, so that's why I squared off my position at this point. Wherein if I go to the 1 minute time frame, let me show you the price action how it is. 1 minute. Frame. So there were like couple of candles, and then we saw a slight. It was not that fast because these two candle, if you see, it was very fast momentum in the on 1 minute time frame basis. If you see, these two candle were very good candle, but however the pullback was very small, in the sense the candle were not that strong, so hence I trailed my SL and it got triggered over there. So almost I gained around like hardly 5 to 6 points, I guess so, but I that was not good trade, but it was just a quick scalp trade. However, if it had given the breakdown of this, it would have given a good momentum. So if I move on to again 5 minute time frame basis, so what was happening on a 5 minute time frame basis, there was a trend line pattern formation over here at the top, wherein and there was this rejection pattern. So what I did is like I took another trade with just a single lot. I didn't went on with huge lots, wherein if you see, I bought around 21,750 PE at almost 10 1 at 10 and after 1 minute exactly. So the buying price was around 115. I squared off this position at 1048 exactly, and it was a trailing sell. So if I go to the chart over here, wherein I made the entry at 10 o'clock. So why exactly 10 o'clock is like if you see at 10 at this pattern, it was a kind of double pattern. Nifty was taking a rejection it there itself. If I draw this one over here, there was, let me delete this line. So what was happening is there were double top pattern formation in the process over here. I thought there will be a rejection initially with this strong candle. It was not able to take out this level, so hence in the after a pullback to this point, there was not OGB pattern being formed, so hence I entered at this candle. And then I was anticipating that this trend line what I have marked here, if it this breaks out, then we'll get a good momentum on the downside. So however, if you see in the before at 10:35 also it went on to the similar price wherein I had made an entry. So with that quick momentum, we got almost Nifty went on to around 670, wherein but I closed in this candle itself at 1046. I closed my position with one lot. I gained almost over here, if you see, with 21,750 PE, wherein at 115, and I squared off my position at 138. So it's almost like 20 plus points, 24, 23 points. So overall, cumulatively, if I show you the position over here at 21,750, wherein I made an overall profit of 1,162 with just one lot. So the again in the afternoon session, what I did is I entered, made a quick scalp in similar 21,750. Sorry, not 21,750. I bought 21,000. 700 PE, wherein I bought 300 quantities and at a average price of 115. But I squared off this whole position at 120. That was a quick trade, a scalping trade, just on a couple of like 1 minute candlestick pattern. I traded. But however, if you see, I traded in the last. I bought around 200 quantities of monthly expiry 21,700 PE, wherein if I go to the Nifty over here, there was a huge pullback in the afternoon session. So with that aspect, at this point itself, I made an entry exactly at 3 o'clock. I from yeah 3 5 in this candle itself. I made an entry and then I squared off at 315. I guess 315 in this. So that was also a quick trade. But however, there was a lot of volatility. Hence, I moved to the monthly expiry options. So because of the lot of volatility, there will be a lot of spikes and also decay. So hence, I didn't wanted to face that issue. Hence, I traded in the monthly expiry trade. So however, if you see, I made the overall profit with the one you are here seeing, the 21,650 PE. I had a overnight position and I had huge quantity, but because of the sideways momentum and today's gap up, I was not able to capture the momentum. But I squared off at almost like break even point, you would say. So overall, for today's profit for the day 50, I had made around 3,000 over here, and then it's almost like 5,000, 6,000 is overall profit. That's what I gained from this today's session. So I'll be doing this. I think I'll be doing again the same series, starting from the day one, hopefully, and I'll start updating about this trade. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.